Welcome to our easy tutorial on drawing a beautiful cake. Let's dive into creating a stunning cake masterpiece together. Start by sketching the outline of the cake's base. Next, add layers to the cake to give it depth and dimension. Don't forget to draw the frosting on top with smooth strokes. Add details like sprinkles or fruits to make it even more enticing. Now let's focus on the intricate decorations. Draw delicate flowers or intricate patterns to adorn the cake. Take your time and enjoy the process of adding small details. Remember, it's all about creativity and imagination. As you draw, envision the flavors and textures of the cake. Each stroke should reflect the sweetness of the dessert. Use different shades to create highlights and shadows. Experiment with colors to make your cake come to life. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Keep refining your drawing until you are satisfied with the result. Step back and admire your beautiful creation. Share your artwork with others to inspire and spread joy. Drawing a cake is not just about lines and shapes, it's about capturing the essence of celebration. Whether it's for birthdays, weddings, or any occasion, a cake symbolizes happiness and togetherness. Let your drawing convey those feelings to the viewer. Pay attention to the composition to make your drawing visually appealing. Remember to relax and have fun throughout the process. Thanks for watching this video.